टीवी एक्टर्स ये कर रहे हैं तो कितनी बड़ी बात है. It doesn't work like that. TV in itself is so big that even a Netflix thought that they needed a Teja and Kundra. I'm going to put it the other way around. We're again making a distinction. TV actors doing Netflix. We have to stop doing it.
Also help me understand a couple of things in terms of the cinema that we are watching right now, you know. हम bifurcate करते हैं हिंदी लैंग्वेज, पंजाबी एक्सेट्रा but I think platforms भी जितना merge हो रहे हैं उतने ज़्यादा languages भी, right? How open are you all to then collaborating with other artists, you know, to create content in whatever language that might be?
मैं तो उड़िया फिल्म भी कर लूँ. It has to be a great film.
मैं भी कर लूँ. मतलब इसमें मतलब ये तो मुझे लॉजिक ही नहीं समझ लगता. ये तो कोई है ही नहीं. मतलब whatever मैं चीज़ सुनूं मुझे लगता है कि यार चीज़ अच्छी है तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है. और वो तो मुझे लगता है कि किसी भी लैंग्वेज में हो या किसी भी नई चीज़ में हो या कई नई बंदों के साथ हो वो तो ज़्यादा करनी चाहिए क्योंकि हमें सीखने को मिले या कि नई चीज़ एक्सप्लोर होगी. हो सकता है कल मैं वहाँ से सीख के अपनी इंडस्ट्री में और वो चीज़ बेटर कर सकूँ. मुझे लगता है करनी चाहिए.
Okay. Lastly, before I let you go, Sargun, on a very fun note, I want to ask you this. There is a show on Netflix called Desi Bling. I don't know if you all are aware of it. That has Tejasvi and Karan Kundra also right now. And it's a representation of television actors globally. You know, which is a great way because वो पहले हैं जो गए on a Netflix platform like that on a show like this. Let's say Sargun, you and Ravi are offered something like this for another season. Would you be open to put yourself out there?
No.
क्या है उस शो में?
मुझे पता नहीं, मैंने देखा नहीं है. But we are not the kinds जो like we're different people.
So it's a reality show which is called Desi Bling. जैसे पहले दुबई Bling था, उसका Desi Bling बन गया. And it's a reality show about like let's say the.
But I know that Teja and Karan have done very well in the show.
Yeah.
And then anyways I think there's such a
और भी लोग हैं उसमें.
हाँ,
दुबई के लोग हैं.
दुबई के बहुत सारे लोग हैं और इंडिया से तेजस्वी प्रकाश और
I think it's about them settling in Dubai.
Yeah.
I think
And
Ravi's watched the first episode, so he told me he's like Teja and Kundra are, I think, the center point of the show. But I think we're again making a distinction. TV actors doing Netflix. We have to stop doing it. I'm going to put a stop there saying that TV is big.
Yeah.
It's really big. So I need to stop saying कि TV actors ये कर रहे हैं तो कितनी बड़ी बात है. It doesn't work like that. TV in itself is so big that even a Netflix thought that they needed a Teja and Kundra. I'm going to put it the other way around because I feel like every time TV actors sit across the table ना, they tend to feel like अरे यार हम TV करते हैं. They don't know कि वो यार हम फिल्म बनाते हैं. कभी कभी आज कोई 40 करोड़ की फिल्म आई, उसका कलेक्शन 2 करोड़ रुपए हुआ वर्सेस एक एक्टर जो रोज टीवी पे आता है और उसकी रोज की 2.1 की टीआरपी. कौन ज्यादा बड़ा है?
Of course.
End of and I always say this that there is no bigger medium than television. There never will be, there cannot be.
Yeah.
तुलसी विरानी आज भी वापस आई तो रॉक कर रही है. That's the power of television.
Yeah.
Everybody knows it. Anupama, everybody knows. You know, today also when I go out, people say आपने उडारियाँ बनाया, ये करा वो करा. That's the power of television. Me and Ravi are made of television.
Yeah.
That's who we are.
Yeah.
So I feel like I want to flip the conversation to say TV वाले आपके पास आने को तैयार हो रहे हैं. We are thinking whether to do it or not.
Wow.
If we have to change the game, you know, we have to change the way we talk about it. If we keep talking about it, saying that this is going to a higher medium, we're never going to be able to change it.